Productive procrastination sounds like an oxymoron, but can it actually boost your workflow? Hey, savvy bookkeepers, welcome back to Maven Systems. Today, we're diving into something we all face, procrastination. But what if I told you not all procrastination is a bad thing? Let's face it, procrastination feels like the enemy of productivity. That's a little voice whispering, I'll do it later, while the to-do list grows fangs. We associate procrastination with laziness, guilt, and even failure. But what if it's more nuanced than that? Just like yin and yang, these two forces might actually need each other. Productivity thrives with focus, but sometimes it's procrastination that gives us the space to recharge, reframe, or reprioritize. Here's the catch. Procrastination often brings with it anxiety. We know we're putting things off, and that self-awareness creates an emotional loop. Guilt, stress, avoidance, repeat. Sound familiar? This loop can sabotage even the most organized minds. And for bookkeepers especially, where precision and timeliness matter, this kind of internal pressure builds really fast. So what if we channel procrastination instead of fighting it? Enter productive procrastination. How about cleaning your desk instead of starting a new client file? How about planning next month's marketing instead of doing bank recs? How about learning a new automation tool instead of returning your emails? It's still a delay, but it's movement. Sometimes our brain is dodging one kind of task because it needs to warm up with something less emotionally loaded. Productive procrastination keeps you in flow while avoiding burnout. It's like cross-training for your business. Of course, balancing time matters. We don't want to spend 8 hours prepping to work. But when used mindfully, productive procrastination can unlock creativity, prevent perfectionism, and restore your energy. So no, procrastination doesn't always need to be eliminated like an addiction, but it does need to be understood. Productive procrastination lets us embrace the pause with purpose. So if you're feeling stuck, shift gears instead of shutting down. You might be surprised what opens up when you procrastinate with purpose. Have you ever tried productive procrastination? Drop your favorite method in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a fellow perfectionist. And if you've got an extra 4 minutes, be sure to check out our next episode. Is working from home making you fat, lazy, and unproductive? That topic segues really well with this one because working from home also can bring on procrastination.